Now in this part what we are going to do, we have to find the nth term of a sequence when the sum of first n terms of a sequence is given. Now you have, in the last class you have gone through the general term for an AP. Now what the general term was, that we are going to discuss in the arithmetic progression topic. A small recap will be there. Let me tell you, it was an is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. Now if this part shows if the series is already in such a way that first term is added in the second, second is added in the second, and first are added in the third, then what the general term will be. This is what we are going to discuss. Now let Tn be a sequence where T stands for term. If we are writing T1 means first term, T2 second term, T3 third term. Okay. Now let us form another sequence Sn such that S1 is equal to T1, S2 is equal to T1 plus T2, S3 T1 plus T2 plus T3. Okay, means sum of first term, sum of two terms, sum of three terms. Okay, so what will be sum of n minus 1 terms? Now this will be T1 plus T2 plus Tn minus 1. What will be sum of n terms? Now this is what, T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus Tn minus 1 plus Tn. Now as I am just pronouncing sum, S means sum, so I am just going to make you as a reminder that here Sn stands for sum of the first n terms of sequence. Now look what I am writing. Now if I am writing Sn minus 1, Sn minus 1 is one of the sequence. Now if I am subtracting this from this, then what the result will be? Just check it. Here we are having T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus Tn, negative of, sorry, let me write it, Tn minus 1 plus Tn, let me write like this. Okay, minus negative of, here we are having T1 plus T2 plus Tn minus 1. Now if I am opening the bracket, then what I am getting? I will be getting this as Tn only will be left. T1 subtracting from T1, T2 from T2, T3 from T3, Tn minus 1 from Tn minus 1, only this will be left. Okay, so what we are getting now, we can write it, therefore Sn minus 1 is equal to Tn. Okay, so this is what the required result. To find the nth term of a sequence when the sum of first n terms of a sequence is given, what we have to do? We have to write Sn, then one term subtracting from it Sn minus 1, that will give us Tn, a general term. Is it clear?